Good day everyone, Suzanne Collins here. Today I'm gonna take you to the craft room and do a little walkthrough on the hybrid scrapbooking techniques that I sometimes use to create pages. So if you're new to hybrid scrapbooking, didn't think you can do anything digitally, come on and join me and I'll show you how it's done. Hybrid scrapbooking, here we go. Hybrid scrapbooking is a combination of using a digital format with a traditional scrapbook page. So over the past weekend, I took part in the Creative Memories virtual crop, and from this sketch, I created this digital page. The page itself, I created as a 12 by 12, saved it as a JPEG image, and then took that JPEG image and printed it on a 8.5 by 11 photo paper. Because it was a square image, it printed at 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches. I then cropped it down to a 8.5 by 8.5 square, and using my Creative Memories zero centering ruler, lined it up nice and square to the page and affixed it. So using my combination of two different techniques, this one here I'm using the older Creative Memories pages that has the pre-printed school pages. I'm adding my digital component, and I've added my fringe punch along the side. And I have a combination of both traditional and digital scrapbooking. You don't have to have a digital scrapbooking program to use the Creative Memories digital elements. They're great to have, add to a paper, cut them out, fussy cut them, and you can add them to a page and you have a multitude of extra embellishments or page backgrounds at your hand. Being a hybrid page, I can go ahead and add my embellishments that I've popped up and add them to my page to give it some extra dimension without a hint or a worry. And there we have it. I'm going to give a shout out to a fellow consultant, Ashley Roesch in North Carolina, who put together a very good video on how to download the Creative Memories digital artwork and save it and use it without a digital software program. So I will add the link below so you can catch that video and I won't have to create one for you. We'll see you soon.